Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 6 and we would like to present tell photography and the art of science. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdian Sahar Dewa Putra.
My name is Hananis Razaran.
My name is Muhammad Al-Farezi.
So, photography and the art of science. Photography and science have a symbiotic relationship. They always have it. Was in the context of science that photography first announced to public by Francesco Arago in 1839, and it was the rhetoric of observation and objectivity that was to grade of science in the mind 90. Consider that photography were very soon accurate. It was in fact photography's closest to science that it claimed fine art status. It it is photography close and contrast to science that have also been analyzed by artists through the decades. Artists who played with the concept of objectivity. The authors discuss the unique place that photography has taken up in the arts of science. During on moment when the two paper to one the same, and moment where they appear to differ. After that writing a sort of survey. Looking at the database from various history perspectives so as to consider the paradigm art science as it have also been applied to photography. The paper will take up the conflicting restraint of passivity and control, showing how it is housed in its place, but always emphasizing the back and forth, the give and take between science and art. It will argue that photography does natural. It's exactly what makes interesting to artists and makes to science. Fotografi dan seni. Fotografi dan sains memiliki hubungan simbiosis. Mereka selalu punya. Dalam konteks pengetahuan fotografi, pertama kali diumumkan kepada publik oleh Francisco Arago pada tahun 1839. Dan retorika observasi objektivitas itulah yang begitu disukai banyak para ilmuwan pada pertengahan abad ke-19, sehingga fotografi segera diperoleh. Faktanya kedekatan fotografi dengan sains lah yang menghambat upaya untuk mengklaim status seni rupa. Ikatan fotografi yang sangat erat berkelanjutan dengan sainslah yang juga telah dimanfaatkan para seniman selama beberapa dekade. Para seniman yang bermain-main dengan konsep objektivitas, kebenaran, dokumenter, dan survei pernah mendiskusikan tempat untuk fotografi dalam sains dan sains seni, membahas momen-momen ketika keduanya tampak satu sama dan momen-momen di mana keduanya tampak berbeda. Daripada menulis semacam survei, makalah ini akan menyelami berbagai titik dalam sejarah, melihat perdebatan dari berbagai perspektif sejarah untuk mempertimbangkan paradigma ilmu seni yang telah banyak ditetapkan pada fotografi. Makalah ini akan membahas retorika pasif dan kontrol yang saling bertentangan, mekanis dan kreatif, menunjukkan bagaimana masing-masing digunakan pada tempatnya, namun selalu menekankan bolak-balik saling memberi dan menerima sains dan seni. Ada argumen sifat fotografi lah yang membuat sifat ganda yang menarik bagi para dan yang membuatnya berharga bagi ilmu pengetahuan. And next 5W plus 1H. Francisco Arago first American photography day in public 1839. What Photography closely tied to science, influencing its lack of fine art status. When in the mid-19th century, photography became associated with the theory of observation and objectivity. Photography connected to science was recognized in phrases flashing through history. Why? Photography, the natural of being sense and artists is make it introduced to artists and valuable to science. How? The paper will explore database one photography status by looking at key history moment from multiple perspectives, verbal and nominal. Francisco Arago and photography to the public in 1839. Science value of observation and activity in the 19th century. Photography occurred to of observation and objectivity. Artists have intelligent photography this to science. 5. The author discusses photography plays in the art science. Photography struggle to claim fine art status. 7. The paper will explore the database across history. 8. Artists play with concept of truth and objectivity. 9. This dual nature make photography interesting to artists. 10. Paper will highlight the interaction. Nominal sentence. Photography is to science we are listening. 2. Francis Arago and in 1839. 3. Objectivitas and observation were ideals in the 19th century. 4. Photography status fine art were controversial. 5. Discussion includes art and science. 6. Observation is key to history. 7. Control and creativity coming back. 8. The historical perspective, the art period. 9. Photography with value to science insignificant. 10. The paper focus in the science paradigm. Next.
Tense and their patterns. Very simple. The first one is photography plays a critical role in scientific documentation. The second, scientists use photography to record experiments. Third, artists explore the concept of truth through photography. The fourth is the camera capture precise details in every image. Fifth, photography has an objective quality valued by scientists. 6. Photographers document important moments in history. 7. Art students study the historical significance of photography. 8. The paper highlights the interaction between art and science. 9. Photography enables us to see the world differently. 10. Artists find inspiration in photography versatility. Past simple tense. First, scientists embrace photography as a tool for research. 2. Photography gained popularity in the 19th century. Third, artists utilize camera to capture realistic image. 4. Francis Arago introduced photography to the public in 1839. 5. Researchers valued photography's accuracy in documenting findings. 6. Scientific advancements in photography enhance its precision. 7. Photography's roles in science grew as new technologies emerged. 8. Photographers capture image of scientific phenomena for research. 8. Photographers capture image of scientific phenomena for research. 9. Scientific imagery in photography often convey objectivity and truth. 10. Photographers' documentary aspect made it useful in both art and science. 10. Photography's documentary aspect made it useful in both art and science. Future simple tense. First, photography will continue to impact scientific research. 2. Scientists will discover new applications for photography. Third, the study will explore the relationship between art and science. 4. Artists will experiment with photography to question reality. 5. New technique will enhance photography's accuracy.
I will continue this presentation. Trends and their patterns. 6. Scientists will embrace photography as a tool for research. 7. Photography will gain popularity in the 19th century. 8. Artists will utilize cameras to capture realistic images. 9. Ferenc Arago will introduce photography to the public. 1839. 7. 10. Researchers will value photography accurately in documenting vintage. Turning scientists into active or passive construction. 1. Active scientists will embrace photography as a tool for research. Passive photography will be embraced by scientists as a tool for research. 2. Active photography will gain popularity in the 19th century. Passive popularity will be gained by photography in the 19th century. 3. Active artists will utilize cameras to capture realistic images. Passive cameras will be utilized by artists to capture realistic images. 4. Active Ferenc Arago will introduce photography to the public in 1839. Passive photography will be introduced to the public by Ferenc Arago in 1839. 5. Active research will follow photography is accuracy in documenting findings. Passive photography is accuracy in documenting finding will be valued by research. 6. Active scientists will use photography to document experiments. Passive photography will be used by scientists to document experience. Active photography will become an essential to in scientific fields. Passive an essential tool will be become by photography in scientific fields. Active artists will explore the relationship between science and art. Passive the relationship between science and art will be explored by artists. 9. Active photography will manipulate images to challenge perceptions of reality. Passive images will be manipulated by photography to challenge perception of reality. 10. Active scientific advancements in photography will enhance its precision. Passive the precision of photography will be enhanced by scientific advancement. Reason why the author used the tense present simple, used to express general truths or states. Like photography is ongoing relationship with science. Past simple employed to describe scientific historical events such as when Ferenc Arago measurement photography or wall photography was found in the mid-19th century. Present perfect used to indicate actions that have occurred at various points in the past, but are relevant to the present, as in the case of artists playing with the concepts of objective and documentary. Future simple cause to describe action or argument that will be delivered in the paper indication future intention. Vocabulary 1. Symbiotic 2. Rhetoric 3. Objective 4. Indirect 5. Utilized 6. Parodic 7. Diverts 8. Debates 9. Passivity And 10. Creative. Next, conclusion. The art discussed the symbiotic relationship between photography and scene, which began when Frances Argo introduced photography to the public in 1039. Will interpreted close to scenes, emphasizing objective and observation. This connection hindered photography recognition as fine art. However, artists have seen utilize this to explore conflicts like truth, documents, and measurement. The author highlights photography unique position between art and scene, showing moments when the work confront and the first the paper. Emphasize the dual nature of photography, arguing that this inequality between the mechanical and the creative is what makes it both intriguing for artists and value to the scenes. And thank you. Bye bye.